Fantastic Lawnmower is lightweight and durable, making it the perfect for creating your perfect garden. Its lightweight, durable and compact design makes it easy to store, use and transport. Hello and welcome to the Rocwood YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at this corded electric lawnmower. Then look at the box. It features the Rocwood logo, along with a picture of the lawnmower on the front. The lawnmower is a 1200 watt lawnmower, and its part number is RWACLM32. On the top of the box is half of the grass catcher. It comes in 3 separate pieces. Instructions are also provided in the box as well. All 4 of the wheels were packaged separately, but the screws attached separately as well. Here are all the screws to adjust the wheels, in this bag here. The handle comes out as one, being protected by some plastic packaging, and is also connected to the main base of the lawnmower. The handle of the lawnmower also folds over, offering the option for even more compact storage. The lawnmower is nice and lightweight, as you can see by the fact I'm lifting it with one hand. It's fitted with a 10 meter long cable with a standard UK plug. The handle screws into the side of the lawnmower. Please make sure it's nice and secure when you do this. These handles here tighten and loosen to be able to move the lawnmower handle up and down. And here's the lawnmower fully assembled. It comes with a rotary blade on the bottom. The grass catcher comes off with one pull. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It is 30 litres. The mower features different cutting heights, so you can decide how long you want your grass to be. The configuration works by moving the wheels up or down depending on your preferred grass length. There are 3 possible settings: 25mm for the short grass, 45mm for the standard grass, and 65mm for the longer grass. Note, please make sure that both front wheels and back wheels are located in the same cutting height. Here are the controls for the lawnmower. As you can see, it's got a push to start button. When you let go of the handle, it will stop the lawnmower. Here are the specifications for the lawnmower. The blade style is rotary, the cable length is 10 meters, the cutting width is 320mm, the rated power is 1200 watts, the propulsion type is propelled by hand, the voltage is 230 by 240 volts, the engine type is electric motor, the material is plastic, the noise level is 96 decibels, in the installation class is class 2, the type is a push lawnmower, the grass collector is 30 litres and the weight is 14 kilograms. Being an electric mower means you won't have to deal with the engine maintenance. This mower also features a 30 litre collection box. This large storage means you won't have to keep emptying your mower. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please make sure to check out some of our other videos.